Okay, so just a little update on what I'm doing. Using a fiberglass resin with the hardener and fiberglass sheets. I'm cutting those into well, this is my template right here, 3-inch strips, and I'm fiberglassing right up in here that seam. Let me find one that doesn't have anything. Okay, so right up there, you can see that it kind of will push out a little bit. I don't know if you can see the shadow moving. We were gonna do angle all along there and rivet it into place and silicone it, but we've only got 2 little Corollas, so a pickup truck. So I decided to do fiberglass. All up in there, I gotta trim all these little straggly hairs from fiberglass little sheets. And then I went ahead and wrapped the fiberglass up around there, and same thing in there. Probably can't really see it. So I've already gotten 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 pieces done so far. And all these little holes, I'm gonna fiberglass as well. Put a little piece about the size of that tape there. Take tape off. Put the fiberglass mesh, and then hit it with that resin. Let it harden, and then probably after the fact I'll do a little Bondo over it. So there's no chance of really water or any of that crap coming in. And then I got a bunch of holes I gotta deal with right there, which isn't a big deal. Fiberglass is easy to work with. I'm gonna record this on my GoPro, but I need to get an extended battery because battery dies pretty quick. But that's what I'm using. A bunch of 1.5-inch brushes picked up at the store for 89 cents. Grabbed about 20 of them. I got, I don't know, 20 something windows, 26 I think. Already had about 5. Pretty much that little section right there, you kind of use a whole brush because this resin hardens up pretty quick, and it's like working with Bondo. It's sandable in 2 hours, but you've got working time, I think like 10 minutes or less. So I bought a bunch of solo cups. So I pour some of that in the cups, and then I think it says do about 10 drops. I've just been doing about 12 to 15 drops in the cup with the resin, and just stir it all up. I just use a paintbrush in there with the plastic off, stir it up really good, and then pretty much all I'm doing is just painting it on, really. Paint on the resin. I usually start off doing something like this to kind of stick that sheet in place, and then on the top kind of just dab it up, and then once I got it pretty good, then I'll just paint the length of it basically and go down with it. Yeah, I'll do a couple little updates and try and mash all these videos together. And then I've got a couple GoPro videos I'm gonna try and mash together. So the result, or what I want to do with this thing is do a time-lapse video, but still trying to figure out how to do that. Need extended battery and everything, and maybe plug it in all day, but we'll see. Oh, and these are what we're using: fiberglass cloth from Bondo. And then you got a sheet of it, 2 foot by 4 foot, and then I have trim pieces off, but it's 3-inch strip, and then it was further out 2 feet, and it fits perfect in there. 3-inch, which gives it about 1 inch and change to go up there and there, and then also down right in there. And then I just kind of push it and round it in, and then hit it with that paintbrush and the resin. So it's really easy. It takes a little bit as far as mixing and working as fast as you can to prevent it from drying, because once it dries up, I don't know if I have, yeah. Okay, so this stuff gets kind of hard. It's all hard right there. It's like a freaking rock. And then that is when I made too much, and basically it's just a rock right now. After a little bit, it starts to like feel like gelatin. So just work quick if you're gonna use fiberglass for anything. And definitely get a bunch of disposable gloves. This stuff is sticky and kind of messy. So, yep, that's it. Bus update number, whatever this is. I'll have to look and I'll put it in the next video.